amplifier, loud and clear, boosts the sound for all to hear. E is for battery, power inside, keeps your gadgets running with pride. C is for capacitor, storing charge, tiny but mighty, never at large. D is for die, got one-way heat, lets the current circulate. E is for earphones, music so near, pop them in and tunes appear. F is for fan, spinning cool, beats the heat like a breeze from a pool. G is for generator, strong and loud, makes its power feel so proud. H is for headphones, comfy and wide, put them on, let the sound glide. I is for iron, heating plates, smooths your clothes and makes them straight. J is for joystick, games have fun, left, right, jump, now run. K is for keyboard, clickety tap, letters and numbers in every gap. L is for LED, tiny and bright, glows with color, pure delight. N is for microphone, catching sound, every whisper and word is found.
M is for network switch, linking the flow, connects devices high and low.
O is for oscilloscope,
Screen with waves, shows electric signals in fancy shapes. P is for printer, paper and ink, prints your thoughts in just a blink. Q is for quartz clock, ticking true, counts the time for me and you.
R is for resistor, stopping the race, controls the flow at a steady pace. S is for sensor, sharp and small, to test the light, the heat and all. T is for transistor, switching fast, makes electronics really last.
U is for UPS, power backup plan, keeps things on when the lights can't stand. V is for voltmeter, measuring might, tells the volts, wrong or right. W, W, W2, W, 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 W. W.
Carries for wire, long and thin, carries current deep within. X is for X-ray sensor, peeking through, sees the things not known to you. Y is for Yagi antenna, signal to send, brings the waves from end to end. Z is for Zener Diode, voltage guard, protects the path like a tiny bar.